My name is Shikhar Dubey, and I graduated from DICT Gandhinagar this year in the field of Information and Communication Technology. I secured 99.94 percentile in CAT. I had called from all the major IIMs except Bangalore, and I have converted IIM Calcutta, FMS, and MDI. I'll be joining IIM Calcutta. When I joined Endeavor, my dream was to secure admission in one of the top three IIMs, which is basically the dream of anyone pursuing an MBA in India. I only had nominal exposure to finance and I wanted to go for an MBA to get deeper into the finance field. One of my seniors who is in IIM Ahmedabad suggested me to join Endeavor. And since I'm going to IIM Calcutta, which is the mecca of finance, I guess that things turned out pretty well for me. There were a lot of things in Endeavor that helped me throughout the CAT preparation. One of the things that I think I would like to point out was most important was discipline. During the CAT preparation journey, there were times when I thought that I need to take a break for a while, but the daily classes, the homework, the test series helped me to keep up and maintain the hard work that was required throughout the journey till the D-Day. Apart from that, there was a constant support from the mentors and faculty. And even after every mock test, there was a review session in which we used to discuss the way that we should have approached the mock or the mistakes that I had made in the previous mock and which should not have been repeated again. So these helped me a lot to prepare for the actual CAT exam. Test fees provided by Endeavor was quite close to the level that I experienced in the CAT, or I would also say it was a bit harder. The mock series usually covered all the topics that usually come under CAT, and if some of the topics were not there in a certain mock, they would surely be covered in the next mock. The tests were also followed by in-depth analysis of how you gave the mock. So these helped me to understand which were my weaker sections on which I needed to work upon. They also had a time analysis of how much time you spend on each and every question. So this helped me to understand that okay, if there were certain questions that I was able to attempt, but if I took 2 or 3 minutes to attempt, then I should not attempt them on the CAT day, because CAT is not only an exam of accuracy but also of speed. So these helped me a lot, and this analysis helped me increase my marks throughout the 25 mocks that I gave at Endeavor. GDPI process was quite elaborate, and there were many sessions that were held at Endeavor Center. There were sessions every second day. So after the exams were over, so these helped me to prepare for the GD very well. My main focus were on the PI, as I thought that I wasn't as good in giving PIs. So, for example, I started preparing with the HR questions. I gave three PIs over there, and each had a different set of interview questions. So, over my overall academics, HR question, everything was covered in these. So, for example, even though I had prepared for the HR interview, my answers went very well, but after the interview, the feedback which I received was very important, because they even noticed small things like the way I sat, the way I greeted the interviewer, the way I smiled throughout the interview or not. So these things helped me for the actual interview. One of the questions that I remember was, since I am a football fan, and IIM Calcutta is known to take your interviews on based upon your hobbies also. So what happened was, one of my friends gave an IIM Indore interview just 3 days before my IIM Kolkata interview. So they asked him which cricketer's birthday was his. My friend was a cricket follower, and that day was Sachin Tendulkar's birthday. So I just a day before my Kolkata interview, I went through which footballer's birthday it might be, and I saw that it was Johan Cruyff's birthday. So I literally studied the whole Wikipedia page about Johan Cruyff a day before the interview, and on the interview day, he asked me, okay, if you are a great football fan, you would know a major football player that was born today. And then it took I gave 5 minutes of my interview on what was Johan Cruyff's life, what was his style of play. So that was a very memorable moment because I actually prepared the interview, that question just a day before the actual interview. I think that the faculty and mentor assigned at Endeavor helped me to be motivated and work hard throughout the preparation. They helped me understand the application of the problems that I was solving and not only just solve it for the sake of marks. The pedagogy followed here also kept me interested throughout the process, whether it be the normal lectures or the value sessions. We could also talk about things other than the CAT exam, which with the faculty members, which was a huge stress buster. And the stress that the faculty mentors gave on making groups for your preparation also helped me a lot, because during the GDPI preparation, what I feel is you need a group with whom you can meet at any time. You can discuss how to approach interview, how to approach your GDs, and you would be able to study well if you have a better group. The most important point that helped me during the preparation was making an analysis sheet. I think that every aspirant that is appearing for CAT must make an analysis sheet. And for example, I used to write the section wise DI, content, verbal questions after every mock that I found difficult or which took me more than 1.5 minutes, or if there were two ways to attempt a question, which was the more efficient one. I used to go through this analysis sheet every weekend, and I had reached a point till the CAT day that when I opened the analysis sheet, I was able to guess the answer and the method used to follow that I used to follow in that question. And that will help you a lot, because after giving a mock, for example, if I gave one mock and I found certain question difficult, if I don't write them down somewhere, after the say 5th or 6th mock, I would have forgotten, okay, this was the type of question that I am not good at. So analysis sheet is the most important thing, and every aspirant should make an analysis sheet. The second thing that I would like to say is, though CAT preparation will take most of the time of your day, you should keep 1 or 2 hours of your day for studying the core subjects of your field. This will help you a lot during the interviews. I wasn't that good in my college academics, so I started doing this from around 6 months before the actual CAT day, because if you start preparing for interviews and your core subjects after the CAT day, you might only have a month to do so, and things might become quite hectic because there are other things like the HR questions that you need to prepare. So if you start studying for the core subjects of your field, it will help you a lot during the interviews, because 50% of all the interviews mainly focus on your CATs, or if you are from a working background, they focus on your work ex. So we should give 1 or 2 hours of your day daily, even before the CAT exam results are out. And the third thing that I would like to point out is that this is a game of consistency. So you should actually make a group, or if not a group, you should make a single friend with whom you can discuss the doubts any day. I had a friend who helped me to clear my doubts. He also kept me motivated if I scored low. So I think having a group will make your journey easier and more efficient. I suffered from dengue a month before CAT, and I had to stop studying for 10 days. After that, when I returned to the center, I had returned for a mock, and I scored around 165 in that mock. So, but the mock was quite easy, and I thought that, okay, I had scored a bit low. So I went to one of my mentors and told her that, okay, I feel that I have lost my flow because of these 10 days. And she came and told me that, okay, you had stopped studying for 10 days, but don't like make that feel you as if you have lost the 1 year that you have put into it, and you deserve good marks in the actual CAT, and go and study hard. Don't like focus on such small things. Like if you haven't studied for 10 days, that won't take away your 1 year of preparation. So that motivated me a lot, and the 20 days that were left, I started studying very hard. And I think that was the moment I realized that, okay, I am going to ace this CAT examination. And that connection that you feel with the mentors at Endeavor, that is going to help you a lot to keep motivated. Even like on the CAT exam day, they were available at the examination center and I feel that is something you can only feel if you have become a part of the family, and Endeavor helps you feel that.